Hi everyone, so in this video I'm going to talk on chain rule. So these are samples of chain rule with me here, which we are going to find their differentiation, that is their derivative, that is their gradient. So chain rule is just that you will be given a function whereby the function is still having another function inside. That's why we call it functions of a function. So here we are going to start by by finding the derivative of the following functions here. So the first one, I have my f of x is equal to sin²x. So how will I find the derivative of this? That is, my f of x is equal to sin² theta. So solution. So for my first question, which is f of x, or name it y equals to is equal to sin² theta. So just the first thing you will do is that make you can find the sin theta can be can find the standard derivative of it. So let u should be sin theta, which implies your y now is your y is u square. That is, you represent u with sine. So now differentiate u with respect to with respect to theta, and differentiate y with respect to u. So if I differentiate u with respect to theta, here I have I have the u, the theta is equal to cos theta. So here if I differentiate my y with respect to u, I have the y, the u is equal to u. So multiplying these two functions, two differential coefficient together, that is, you have you have your y, the theta is equal to is equal to the u, the theta, multiplied by multiplied by y, the u, which implies, if you check this, you cancel this out, this is still the same thing as the y, the theta, which you are searching for here. That is, here we are searching for y, the theta here. So therefore just simply bring these two together. That is cos theta multiplied by 2u, which is the same thing as 2u, and your u is your u initially is sin theta. So we have it as cos sin theta multiplied by cos theta, which is the same thing as sin 2 theta. So you can say you can now say that the derivative of sin² theta is equal to sin 2 theta by using this chain rule here. So the next question here it means here is f of x equal to next question is f of x equal to 2x plus 3 2x plus 3 raised to the power of 5. So the same procedure here, just let your u should 2x plus 3, then find the u, the x. So we have the u, the x will be 2. So now your given function, that is your y equals to equals to u raised to the power of 5. Since you've called this u, so you represent this with u. So that means your u raised to the power of 5. Then your y, your u is equal to the y, the u will be equal to 5 u raised to the power of 4. So if you multiply these two together, you have the y, the x. That is the y, the x, because this function is in form of y. This is form of y too. So we have the y, the x is equal to 5u raised to the power of 4 multiplied by 2, which implies 10u raised to the power of 4, which implies, now you substitute for your u, that is 10 into bracket of your u is your u. So we have 2x plus 3 raised to the power of 4, and that is the derivation for that. So we have the third one. I have my third one here as y, that is f of x, is equal to exponential sine x, which is the same thing as y equals to what? Exponential sine x. So just simply let u should be equals to the power here. That means u is equal to sine x. Now the x is equals to what? Is equals to cos x, that is derivative of what? Of sine x is cos x. So now, since this is your u now, since you've made sine to be your u, that means you have what? You have for y, your y is now equals to what? That is your real function is now equals to what? Exponential u. Since sine is not u, is now u. So you now represent it with what? With u. So you now find the derivative of this with respect to u, that is the y, the u, equal to what? Exponential u again. So you multiply this together, you have your what? You have your dy dx. That means the y dx is equal to what? The u dx, that is this, multiplied by the y du. So if you check it, you know that this will cancel this will cancel this, then you have what? The y dx back. So that means you have what? Exponential, that is cos x, multiplied by what? Exponential x, and this is what? Exponential u. Sorry, exponential u. So and this is what? Cos x is what? That is cos x, that is cos x exponential u, that your u is what? Is sin x. So you represent it with sin x. That means you are having what? That means the derivative of this is what? Is exponential sin x cos x. That is your final answer. Your u is not, your derivative of this is 9 exponential of sin x cos x. So the third case here, let's solve for the last case here. So we have the fourth case here, sorry, we have it as well. F of x is equal to cos² theta. So this is also the same thing as what? As this is the same thing as y is equal to what? Y is equal to cos² theta. So now to find the what? To find the derivative of this, that is we are finding the y, the what? The theta is what we are searching for. So let your u should be equal to what? Cos theta. So the u, the theta, the derivative of this will be what? Will be minus sine theta. So since your u is now cos theta, so your y will be what? Your y will be u raised to the power of 2. So the u, the y, the u, will now be what? Will now be 2u. So now the y, the theta, will be what? Will be the u, the theta, multiplied by what? Multiplied by the y, the u. So if you check for this, you cancel out, you still have what? The y, the theta here. So that means you are multiplying this, that is this will stand for this, and this will stand for this. That means you have what? Minus sine theta multiplied by what? By 2u. And this is what? This is minus 2u sine theta. So you represent your u back, that is you substitute for your u back. That means you have minus u2, then your u initial is what? Cos theta. That means you have it as what? Cos theta sine theta, which is the same thing as what? Minus what? Minus sine 2 theta. So you can represent this answer here, and you can represent it as here. According to trigonometry, that is sine of 2 angle is what? 2 sine theta cos theta. So you can represent it in this form. So the derivative of what? Derivative of cos² theta is equals to what? Minus 2 sine theta cos theta, or you call it minus 2 cos theta sine theta, which is the same thing as what? Minus sine 2 theta. So let's quickly rush on our last here. We have f of x equals to what? Equals to ln 2x. So we have to find the derivative of this. So you know we can find what? Just represent this is a function, this is a function. So just represent this as, let your u should what? Let your u should what? It should be 2x. Sorry, and your u is 2x. Now the u, the x will what? Will be 2. Will be 2. So now your y, that is your function here. Your function here, that is your y. Will what? Will now be ln u. So your function now is now what? Is now ln u. So now you differentiate it. That means you have the y, the u is equals to 1 over u. Then you multiply it together to have your what? The y, the x. That means your the y, the x is equal to what? The multiplication of these two together, and this 2 multiplied by 1 over u. Then you have it as what? 2 over, substitute for your u back. Your u is 2x, so you have 2x. Then finally you have what? You have 1 over x. This will cancel this, so finally you have 1 over x. So that is all about chain rule. So try to check from the beginning, try to check it and know how we solve them. So that is it. Just when you are given a function in this form, just that we can't what? We can't expand this to that power and factor and what? And expand it to find it in that manner. So we introduce what? You introduce chain rule. So just differentiate this. After differentiate this, that means your u will be this. If you differentiate it, then your u will now be raised to power 5. You differentiate it again, then you multiply it together. So have a look and have a nice day. Thank you.